Good morning, everyone. Headed out to the first shuttle of the day. I am headed to Dix Creek to bring in some hikers to Neal Gap. And after that, I'm heading out to Standing Bear Hostel to bring some hikers over to the Green Dragon Hostel. And then I have Unicoi to Neal Gap after that. Pretty good day. Seems like the skies have cleared up. Like the blue skies are coming back out after all that rain we got last night. So I'm pretty sure all the weather is gonna be good for hiking today. Here we are. There's a tree down right on this road I was driving on. I wish I bought that chainsaw that I wanted to buy. Oh, I just have to go a little bit different way. Well, we got lucky on that one. There was another tree down here on 180, but the guy that someone cut the tree up that's out clearing the trees just before I got there, thank God, so I wouldn't have to turn around again. I'm already running 10 minutes late to the shuttle because of the other down tree. So at least that one's cleared up and we're still headed towards the shuttle. Stay tuned for more. Dix Creek. Coming right up here. Right here is the tree that got chopped up right before I got there on the way to Dix Creek, and then this guy was stuck down there and now they're towing him out.
Put his winch and the chain on the back of it.
How did he get there? How did he get in the ditch?
He probably pulled over to help and then just got stuck.
That, or maybe he saw the tree the last minute. Well, it was still a little bit dark out.
Swerved it, not hit it. Okay, yeah.
Birds.
That should do it, as long as it's got two wheels on it.
Yeah. Is he saying something?
Yeah, he's just chatting to the man. That is a nice little RV. Right. Now I guess he's still got to deal with the tree.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. They came and chopped it up just enough.
Big tree.
They came and chopped up just enough for us to get by.